Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you my homemade sausages. So they are delicious, so keep watching. Today I'm going to make some homemade sausages. Today I'm going to make turkey sausages, but you can make beef sausages with this recipe, pork sausages, and they are delicious. What I have in the bowl here, I have 2 tablespoons of sage right there. I have 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I have 1 pack of stevia. I have a half a teaspoon of nutmeg right here. Okay. And I have 2 teaspoons of salt there. And I don't know if I mentioned 2 teaspoons of sage. In this container here, I have 3 whole allspice cloves that I'm gonna grind up. And I have 2 teaspoons of fennel that I'm gonna grind up in this blender here. So let me go ahead and get started on this recipe. It's an easy recipe. Oh, and I forgot, I added a pinch of pepper flakes to the blender here. So let me go ahead and blend that up. And I had 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper in this bowl here. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the spices to the spice blender here so they will be grind up finally. Okay. Add the ground turkey. Put it in there. And I'm gonna take the sausage spices and pour them over the ground turkey. Now at this point, you can add garlic powder and onion powder. So in this recipe, I'm gonna go ahead and add like a half a teaspoon of each. You don't have to add it, but I'm adding it to this recipe here. Now it's delicious without it, but I like a little onion and garlic in mine. And I also like very spicy sausages. So you can make sausage links with this, sausage patties, whatever you like. And the reason I decided to share this recipe with you, because being on the keto diet is difficult to find sausages without regular sugar in it. So that's why I decided to share this one with you, because this is the one I use at home. Add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. I hope I mentioned that in the spices, I have 3 cloves of whole allspice cloves that I grind up in the spice grinder. So I don't know if I mentioned that before, but yes, 3 whole allspice cloves that I grind up along with the fennel and everything. You will love this sausage. You have to try it with whatever kind of special meat you like. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up well, and I'm gonna set this aside. This is gonna be a separate video, but today I'm making this for my low-carb pizza that I'm making. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside until I'm ready for it. Now, when you get ready to make just regular breakfast sausages, you wanna look under just homemade sausages, and you'll find this recipe. But I'm just showing you this because every time I make a pizza, homemade pizza, keto pizza, I make my own sausages, but I had not shared that with you. So this is why I'm doing it today. That way you can have sausage links, whatever you want to have, using this recipe here. Okay, let me set that aside. Test my sausage just to make sure it's about right before I start rolling them or whatever I'm gonna do with them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and taste it to see if I need to add any more seasoning to it. Added about a tablespoon and a half of avocado oil. I'm gonna go ahead and make a couple of sausage links and sausage patties. So you'll know what that looks like. If you like this recipe, like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family.